Well, we're back at it again today. First one's on, complete. And look, there's Sonny. Sonny, come on. Good boy. Good boy. And we started doing this side. So what I'm going to do is I'll prop you up over here so you can see. Sonny! Sonny! Oh, there you are. You're hiding behind me. Silly boy. Silly boy. Sorry about that. Dropped you. No, well, I undid the fitting on the stand and it well bent down when I went bent down, him down. So, yeah. Oh my gosh. Out now. So that's what we're working next to. The great Aussie bush. Straight above us is a tree and a tree and a tree. So yeah, doing this on the side of the road in the bush. Don't knock that over, Sonny, please. You've got a different technique to me. You pull the bolt right up so it sits in that little slot.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, okay. Alright. You've learned me a little. People, sometimes really old people can teach you stuff.
Love you too, darling.
He's not that old. Nah, you know. Not even in the 70s yet. 70s is the new 40, I thought.
I wish the body had agreed with that.
Here we go, sir. Another box. Still got one more in here, buddy. Be careful when you pick up these plates. Huge. Alright, YouTube. So, out in the Aussie bush, and I mean out in the Aussie bush, and this is what you find. See that? In there, that's a redback spider. See the little hourglass on the bottom? I think in America they call it the black widow, yeah? Well, here we call it the redback spider. And she's in there somewhere. I'm going to find her. Yeah, so she's probably up under this one here. So I'll be a bit careful. I don't want to get bitten. It'll be in there somewhere. So you must always be careful in the Australian bush because everything's out to kill you. Everything. But she's alright. She can continue to live. Nothing wrong with her. She's just doing her. She can do her and I'll do me. That's what he does. Flat out as fast as he can go. For hours. Be only 10 plates. 2 plates missing.